just talked this over with Chris, so they're gonna fix my AC30 here. Looks like it's just the input-output jacks here. So I guess the input jacks, they're gonna replace them. So they're gonna get replaced with something more quality than the Chinese ones that are in there, which is good news. And in the meanwhile, I was looking at this, I'm like, what is this thing? And check this out.
No, you're doing me a favor because
78 Marshall 2104 50-watt combo for $12.99. Have you ever seen a Marshall with top-mounted knobs like that? Look at those handles. I think that's aftermarket, right? But look at those knobs. Do you recognize these knobs? They're the exact same knobs on the dirty little secret pedal that I have, that purple one that I bought at Broken Guitars in Oakland for $100. Look at some of these other.
It's badass.
Look at this shit.
I didn't realize he said he did it 3 years ago. I thought it was
A Gretsch Thermo Effect. I don't even know what that means. Tremolo. Oh, it's a tremolo. Tremolo effect. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that thing. I wonder if it's working.
This is interesting. So now, do you,
look at these.
you have the guitars around here?
not anymore. I've sent.
That looks like something you'd see in a coal mine.
Danny, did you see any notes about him? About
The Muchon 3. There's two of the Muchon
and
3s
do you
here.
know where they are?
They're on the computer somewhere.
They're in there.
Yeah, you typed them up.
Let's see, it looks like it's a 1985. Is that what it says?
Right.
That's why I emailed
1985 overdrive, so OD1. Dude, that's like back in the day, right? And then here's one of my favorite pedal makers, Earthquaker devices, and the Acapulco Gold. I have their Plumes, which is a killer pedal.
What was your first name? Matt Boss.
The Hoof Reaper. Is that what that said? Yeah, it's the Hoof
I got a name that most
Reaper.
people remember.
Yeah.
There's something about that Boston that
Yeah.
sticks with people.
Slow Gear. I wonder what that means. Slow Gear Boss pedal right there. SG1. A top hat compressor. Oh, is that? No, okay. I was gonna say that was something else. Some pretty cool pedals in here.
But if I actually did write it,
This Pro 15 inch.
so what I want to do.
I heard somebody else talking about these 15-inch Fenders that, people try to find them.
Yeah.
Here they are, people. Real guitars.
We've got
Come and
two
get
of
it.
them. The one right behind him.
Yeah, right?
That's the Vibroverb. That's got a
The
15
Vibroverb,
too.
yeah.
That's
Oh
the
man,
real rare
look
one.
at that.
That's the one that Stevie Ray Vaughan played.
Yeah, $4,500. Nice.
Yeah, okay, there it is.
Yeah.
Where is this thing?
I had a silver face deluxe reverb like that.
There it is.
Stolen.
It's,
Yeah. Happens.
okay, so
You
it's
just gotta
here. I've got all
not
your
cry about it and move on.
Two guitars.
Can't let your heart be broken.
Like that. Unfortunately,
That's pretty
it
cool.
doesn't look like there's a whole lot.
Is that a Breedlove? What was that? Is that Ovation? What is that? I can't zoom in on stuff, can I? Oh, I'm already zoomed.
Can't see it.
Yeah.
What else is there? Was
We're
there
in wide
anything
mode here.
noteworthy
I wasn't in
that's
wide
different
mode?
about
What
either of these
does that mean?
guitars than-
I don't
Typed
know.
them up, just the
Anyway.
G's in them, and then the
So many
is,
awesome guitars here.
long syndication handle.
So this Fernandez is calling my name, but it's $1,200. They already have like 3 different Strats. What am I gonna do with another one? And those Tokais right there, those two, those are probably decent for the price. They're around $1,000. But look at that road worn. That one's just that. Yeah, 25. 63 issue. Yeah, right. Yeah, look at that. Definitely. Cool guitar. But check these ones out over here. Have you ever heard of this brand? It's called a Ferndon. Read it.
A Ferndon?
It's a Fender, or it's not it's a Ferdin. A
Ferndon.
Ferdin.
Telemaster Jr.
A Telemaster, and check out this one right here. Look at the body style, first off.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Right? And look, it's got the
And
Strat
this is the same
pickup.
kind, right?
It's a Ferdin.
Sortacaster.
A Sortacaster.
Was this your last time?
That's cool, man. That's a yeah. Right? Look at
That is-
look at the burly
That
kind
is the
of
beefiest neck I've ever
Oh, it
seen.
is a beefy neck. That looks like a Kotzen neck, man.
That is chunky, dude.
Like that Richie Kotzen. I played one of those. That thing's got a baseball bat neck on it, man. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool right there. I dig that. Look at that offset one right there. It says,
Blackish one with the
yeah. What is that called? It's a coder, cater, vader, cater, cower. That's it. I like that finish. Look at how they did that. Yeah. Yeah, it goes with the
I don't
gold
usually
parts.
like gold hardware, but it looks
Right?
nice on that guitar.
Look at that double cut right there. What is that? Is that a national or what does that say? It's a cool kind of
That was a
sunburst.
Washburn, I think.
Washburn, interesting. Look at the bottom. How it has that weird kind of. Can you see that? I know. Can you see how the bottom has a little notch out of it? I don't know what that's for. Stick it on your knee
That
or?
orange one?
Yeah.
It's
kinda like a-
melody.
Oh, melody. Okay.
The
Yeah.
other one, I thought
It's
you were
kinda
talking
like
about
a-
the one next to it.
oh,
It's
the
a
red one,
Washburn.
yeah.
The red one, yeah.
That's nice. Washburn makes, dude, they make seriously good electrics too, you know.
That's a nice looking
I've played a couple of their electrics.
That little thing.
And there's that funky Gibson with the weird. Did you see that?
Les Paul.
That Les Paul?
When I got in,
Yeah, that was a
It's
better
little
finish.
neck, though, so I don't know.
You're like an old man. What the hell? What are you showing me?
Another nice Fernandez. That Fernandez over there.
I like that turquoise.
Look at this. Look at this
Kids
right
today
here.
with your thing.
This thing's nice.
This thing's screaming Andy
What's wrong with
Summers.
these people?
Right now, you know what I mean? Does that not look like an Andy Summers kind of?
That's a cool
worn.
guitar.
Okay, let's see, what does the tag say?
I can't
The tag says it is a Tokai for $5.99. Damn, dude, built in China. I mean, built in Japan.
How's the neck feel?
Ah, it feels good. It's a nice C neck. And frets feel good.
Kind of heavy.
Yeah, but
The neck's kind of big. This reminds me of my Telecaster neck. That's like
I kind of dig that though. For $3.99, damn. If it wasn't the first of the month right around the corner, I'd be buying that right now. This is a sickness, isn't it? It's called gas. The sweet sounds of Jack the Rabbit. I just love that color too. It's that Fiesta red, or is it? It's more like just a hot, like red, but just. I like the worn like.
It feels like it's finished over the worn though. I feel like.
Oh, did they?
Right?
Yeah, it could. Yeah, it looks like it
Doesn't
is.
feel
So
like
it's kind of like that fake
a fake-
road worn, but at the same time, it's a Tokai, and it's worn off enough so you can't tell whether it's a T or an F, right? Check it out, Tokai. So these are typically made in Japan, right? $5.99. I thought I saw $3.99, but it's $5.99.
Clean tuners.
Yeah, good tuners.
I was thinking the same thing just now.
I dig it. I would buy that for $1. That's a nice Tokai right there. Yeah.
Hey Chris,
I like
I'm going
it.
up to get some
All right, I'm gonna turn this off because I've already recorded like about an hour and a half of stuff, and I'm gonna try to splice it together. But yeah, right now, if I was gonna buy one of these for $600, that would be
cool
it
guitar.
right there. 600.
Oh, look, they got a Harley bent.
I would take that. Harley Benton.
It's a bass.
Yeah, look at that Harley Benton bass.
I wasn't expecting to see one of those here.
That looks like an old Epiphone, not like a new, but an
Yeah,
old.
look at the
Oh,
headstock
check that
on that
out.
thing.
Yeah, that's cool.
Somebody drew a skull on it.
That's cool.
That is cool.
It's got some funky like
It's like somebody
graffiti on there, but
Somebody carved a skull with horns or something and then stopped.
look at this Gibby bass, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, too many cool guitars in here. You can just stay here forever. And look at this green meanie, this Carvin right here. So those who don't know, Carvin and Kiesel, same people. This is 7-string. Look at that. Look at that. That's
That's a crazy color.
that Gumby green right there.
Green, yeah. It is. It's the best way to say it.
Gumby green. That's pretty sick. Look at the switches. So yeah, this is pre Kiesel Carvin era 7-string. What year does it say on there?
It says it's
Doesn't
only
say.
$4.99.
$4.99 for that. I'd buy that. Look at it's got Schallers. Look at those. See those? Those tuners. Those are Schallers.
Nice.
Blocking Schallers.
It's a pretty nice guitar.
That's a pretty killer guitar.
Yeah, it really is.
If I knew how to play a 7-string, or if I ever wanted to learn how to play a 7-string,
Where it's ebony
I'd
too.
buy that right there.
Right? So you're hardtail?
He wants a maple.
It is.
Yeah.
It's a hardtail, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a hardtail.
never see
That's probably
I
a
don't like the maple.
pretty
I don't like
mean,
them sweet,
mean,
so I
beastly
want the
little
less- the
7-string.
least
Right there.
covered.
7-string.
It looks like an ebony
That's
fretboard too,
the-
right?
yeah,
Rarely
that's what I was
have
saying.
they covered. They haven't had
Yeah,
it
it's
in a long
gotta
time.
be.
Man, so many guitars that you
I
want to buy here.
I also want you to
Look
be
at that Squire Bullet. That's
Look at
the
that.
old bullet
Woman took
with the
550
star on the
times
headstock. Check that out.
That's the OG.
And it's got the Telecaster neck with the Stratocaster body.
Really?
Funkadelic.
How about just normal?
And it's got the two knobs. It's got the two knob telly kind of setup, but like a Strat. So weird, right? That's like a weird kind of parallel universes before the parallel universes. One of those one-offs, like my blacktop Strat. See, have you ever seen that with the bullet with the star there? Look how much dust is on this thing. No one's picked it up in forever. And look at and look at that. Two knobs and a top-mounted input jack or output jack, if you really want to be accurate.
I dig that issue right there.
Yeah.
Kinda like, that's like a.
Yeah, that's pretty funky too, right? Look at
Looks
that
mean,
thing.
man.
It does look mean. There's some mean guitars.
That's really
Look at
punk. You know?
That is
Big way.
punk.
If you're in a punk band, that'd be
That is
pretty
totally punk.
I'm gonna find out. Let's find out if
Too many cool guitars. All right.
Yeah.
Let me turn this around. Probably put my hand in there. Music Therapy Labs and Jack the
Later,
Rabbit.
guys.
Signing off. Take it easy, dudes. Gonna go with the Gumby.
Fucking be.
Let's go with the Gumby.